come on. Do you want to see this car coming off? Yeah. Okay, are you ready? I want a nice slow countdown. 3 down to 1. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! There you go. Oh yes. Do you want to see some damage? Got thumbs up from the crew on the ground, thumbs up from Paul, whose job it is to stop me should I knock myself out. Are you ready, love? Don't swear. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I want a nice loud countdown. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, nice slow countdown. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Let's see what he does with Rita now. More speed. Oh yes. Oh. And he clears the cars and nearly flattens Peter in the process. 3, 2, 1, go! See what happens when you drive, folks. Are you ready, Scorton? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Oh yes. And he clears them again, folks. Every time we jump with these trucks, we check and double check, make sure that the axles are fine. The last thing we ever want to happen is for them to lose a wheel. Not because we're tight-fisted Yorkshiremen, but because they weigh over half a ton each. We'd hate for them. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together for the team here at Big Pete and the driver of the Grim Reaper, Mr. Paul G. To myself here in Big Pete himself, Michael Murphy. To my beautiful but downright spoken for assistant, Claire. To the guys on the ground, thank you very much. Come back again this afternoon, and if you're staying over tonight, you've got a special treat. But for now, from me and the team, thank you very, very much and goodbye. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow. 3, 2, 1, go! I stay strong. And it bogged out in the end. Let's see what we can do with the Reaper. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, bigger! Bigger! Well, on the ground the other side.
Fire extinguisher ready.
Oh, that scratch card sound less poorly than that. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give me a chance to get on top. And then put your hands together for the bad stick, the angry stick, the man we call Paul G, the driver of the Grim Reaper. And for me here in Big Pink, for the guys down on the ground, thank you very much people, thank you for being patient. If you're staying tonight,